Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Passat. This is the 2-litre TDI 150 S trim that we have on sale, finished in the pure white paint. This car's had one owner from new, is in really good condition, comes with alloy wheels, 2 remote central locking keys. It's the better engine in the 150. If you've got a load of luggage in the back, this will pull away easy and be able to transport everything and the kitchen sink in this huge boot if it's open. There we go. It's like I say, you can get everything in there. Bodywork condition is really good. There's no visible dents or scratches, and all our cars come freshly serviced, balanced to the manufacturer's warranty. It's got push button start, touchscreen radio with app connect, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, multifunction flat bottom steering wheel that does your volume for your radio and answering your Bluetooth, and it's only done a mere 11,851 miles. So if you're in the market for a big family car that can fit lots in the back, then this could be the car for you. Then please make sure when you inquire you ask for myself, that's Phil Sadler, or my colleague Yusuf. We're the internet specialist team that can help you further. Thanks for watching.